Hey, today I'm at the Black Oak Golf Course community, which I really love. Black Oak is a 9-hole walkable course. Definitely has lots of oaks, as I've hit a lot of them. There's a couple par threes, which is beautiful over a pond. You've got a couple par fives, and then the rest are par fours, which is a beautiful 3,160-ish yard course, which is beautiful, tucked in here in North Auburn off of Dry Creek Road, kind of in between I-80 and Highway 49. There's some lovely homes in here. Some of them overlook. Some are actually on the golf course themselves, ranging anywhere from about the $800,000 in price range. But it's a beautiful community. So let's go check it out. Hey, welcome to home on the Black Oak Golf Course location. This is an empty section right here, so this view will never be obstructed. And you get a circular driveway. Hey, looking for a home that has beautiful natural light on and near the Black Oak Golf Course? Look no further. Come, let's go check it out. Yeah, I love this spot right here in this home. I love the natural light that it brings in. As I'm sitting here in the morning and you're overlooking your property, it would be a great place for a hot chocolate or a breakfast, and you can see the living space and you can walk right out to your patio as well. So let's go check out more. And on this side of the wing of the home, you actually have another lower floor primary suite or guest quarters that again has the vaulted ceilings, has all these natural light that comes through with the hand crank windows overlooking your property. And then you've got another outdoor door outside. You can go out, and you've got a wraparound closet back through into a full bathroom on this side. So you've got multiple rooms, multiple spaces, lots of storage in this property. You've got a nice 3-car garage as well. Again, the driveway wraps around, comes all the way up to the top of the house. So you can actually enter up there, or you can enter down here where the waterfall is and the beautiful single-story entry. So let's go check out more. Check this out, guys. They actually have a place even for exercising here. But can you imagine just exercising with this beautiful window overlooking nature and checking out like the deer that go by, and I can see the golf course from here and occasional turkey. Am I breathing heavy yet? Maybe I need to speed it up a little bit. I kind of like this machine. Anyway, we have spaces in this house for everything. So let's go check out some more. Hey, one of my very favorite rooms here is this office space in here. There's got the vaulted ceilings, the wood beams that come across with this extra space up here on top, loaded with the wood floors. It's got lots of window space, huge closet over here as well, and you got a full bathroom up here too. So this could be used as an office, a family room. I like the stage area up right here. I could see my children and stuff when they were younger, and grandkids doing the plays, and the parents sitting down here kind of watching them. So kind of a fun vibe there too. Got solid wood doors throughout the house, which is great. So you've got this space could be that office I was mentioning, or it could be a secondary living quarters for secondary, maybe a family, or when guests come over. And so I really like that as well. And you've got another bedroom tucked right here, kind of close by as well. And then you've got this amazing architectural design. You got a beautiful wood stove right there too that will heat this place up with central heating on that. So I love all the different rooms that this property has to offer. I like this one here. They use this as more of a library, but it could be a potential formal dining area. It could be just another area for living space, or maybe even a home theater too. But I love the books and the ambiance in here where you can kind of get away and in a quiet spot. Let's go check out some more. Hey, if you're looking for a walk-in shower, well, I got it right here. So you got a walk-in shower, steps right into a wonderful sunken tub. And yes, I am standing in the bathroom in the primary bedroom, actually inside the tub itself. Let me show you how deep this tub is. Oh, very deep tub right there, guys. So come enjoy the soaking tub with this beautiful view of your property out this direction. There too, and you've got the open vaulted ceilings. You can step down right down here in 2 steps and you're down into your double sinks and double vanities with this really cool walk-through closet all the way around with a skylight, by the way. And so you've got the nice glass block right there, bringing back some past time there too. And if you want to go out after you get dressed and showered, you can come out to your private lanai, which has its own little shade cover. Did I mention private? Pretty quiet, huh? Can you imagine just sitting out here, enjoying the morning? We got the golf course, which is literally right there. I can actually see part of it right there through the trees that you got here on Black Oak Golf Course. You got a newer roof, you got newer windows, you got new hardy back siding on this property. This is actually a new surface deck here as well. We've got the floors downstairs that have been redone. The house and that has been completely updated for you for many years to come without any major expenses. So come see this property, guys. Eric Catcher with Century 21, Black Oak Golf Course, a must see, and love to show it to you. Take care. This is kind of cool. I like it. Do you ride this often?
I ride.
That's kind of cool. I like that it cools down your whole house still. It's got a couple part twos. What never about part 2? With tons of light. I can't even see my face right now, huh? And look, FedEx does deliver. Bum, bum, bum. FedEx delivers today. All right, he's going the wrong way, so I got to go the other way. All right, later.